Welcome to an oldie but goodie, a 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood here at J&J, SPCA 300, 181,000 miles with a good running throttle body, 350, 4-speed overdrive. I believe these are 4L60Es. Runs and drives. It's a hail damage car. Oh, let me get the wheel down. The cluster does not work. Oh, there it goes, 181, 121, but you hit it too many times, it turns off. So we'll listen to the motor. We're gonna pull this motor and transmission together, and you can do what you want with it. Take it for a little drive. Idle's nice. It's got a new AC compressor on it, looks like. It's been converted to R134. It runs really well. So we don't do too many of these anymore. They're getting really hard to find that aren't buckets of rust and just everything's broken. You got a grill, you got a front bumper, you got two headlights. None of the sheet metal is good. All of it's hailed. The quarter moldings and rocker moldings are good. Rear bumper is good. Tail finish panels are good, tail lights are good, axles a 308, power seats, I'm not even messing with them, that stuff. Take a ride. Just running, driving, it's pretty strong. I mean, these nor the LT ones have a ton of power. They're just big cars with lazy axles. But it does have a posi. Did a burnout yesterday in it. Downshifts. Stops. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. SPCA 300, a 95 or 93 Fleetwood with a 5.7, 181,000 miles. Thanks for watching.